TampaBayMold.net launched a new website. You might think it's a cosmetic change, but it's a strategic weapon because a user judges your site in 50 milliseconds, and 94% of that first impression is pure design. In that split second, speed is everything. A single 1-second delay can cost 7% of your customers. When you're dealing with a serious home issue like mold, that 7% represents real families not getting help. Next, we'll break down how this new website is a system built for trust, speed, and real-world effectiveness. For a local service like mold remediation, the battle is won in the Tampa Bay area. 76% of local searchers visit a business within 24 hours. And where are they searching? On their phones. Over half of all web traffic is mobile, so Google's algorithm prioritizes mobile-friendly sites. So, a modern website must provide a flawless experience on a small screen. It must be 3 things: fast, intuitive, and trustworthy. First, trust. A full 75% of people judge a company's credibility based on its website. A professional appearance signals a professional service. Second, speed. We know a 1-second delay costs conversions. Modern design uses clean code and optimized images to load instantly. Third, intuitive. A visitor in distress should never have to hunt for a phone number. Navigation must be simple and clear. But how do you combine these elements to turn a visitor into a customer? What if one design philosophy could lift your conversion rate by 400%? That philosophy is called user experience, or UX. It's not how a site looks, it's how it feels to use. The primary goal of good UX is to remove friction. For a homeowner worried about mold, friction is a confusing menu, a slow photo gallery, or a hidden contact form. Each pain point adds stress and doubt. A key part of UX is the call to action. Instead of a generic "click here," a UX-driven site uses "get a free estimate." This simple change can boost conversions by over 40%. When a website is easy to use and clearly solves your problem, you inherently trust the company. This reinforces that 75% of users equate good design with credibility. So let's see this in action. What are the common mistakes a redesign like this solves? Because 38% of visitors will leave if a layout is unattractive. Imagine an old site, cluttered text, confusing menus, and a buried phone number. This friction signals a lack of professionalism, driving away potential customers. Now look at the new design. It's clean, the navigation is simple, and the contact information is impossible to miss. It uses high-quality images of their actual work. Remember that 400% potential conversion increase? This is how it happens. By removing clutter and creating a clear path to get help, the UX converts visitors. So the new design builds trust and makes it easy to act. But how does it help people find the site in the first place? This is where design and SEO overlap. Modern web design is not just a pretty face. It's built on a foundation that Google prefers. Fast load times and mobile structure are built-in ranking factors. But SEO isn't just technical. The design must also showcase expertise. A blog on early signs of black mold establishes the company as a trusted authority. Next, you add social proof. A high number of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. The new design prominently features testimonials. Finally, the design must frame the company as the solution. It communicates that mold is a health hazard, and they are the immediate, reliable answer. Let's pull all these threads together. What does this look like from the customer's point of view? A worried homeowner in Tampa searches mold removal near me. That's the 76% ready to act. The SEO-friendly site appears high. They click, and trust is built in 50 milliseconds. They are not met with friction. The clear UX guides them. They see testimonials from neighbors and find the free quote button without effort. This entire process transforms the website from a digital brochure into a 24/7 automated sales and customer service expert, working even when the office is closed. In a crowded market, this experience makes them memorable. The modern framework also means the site can easily scale, adding new services without another overhaul. So, the launch of TampaBayMold.net's new website is not a minor update. It is a deliberate strategic investment in their business's core functions. It's an engine designed to build trust through professional design. It's a magnet to attract local customers, and it's a machine to convert concern into action. This demonstrates a deep understanding that in 2024, your website isn't just part of your business. In many ways, it is the front door to your business. For anyone in the Tampa Bay area facing the stress of a mold problem, a website that is clear, fast, and helpful is the first sign you found the right people. See the difference for yourself at TampaBayMold.net. And if you run a local business, ask yourself, is your website working this hard for you?